Digo, cuando uno muere, uno está entre dos vidas. Hay un vacío o una línea entre dos vidas cuando este cuerpo físico se termina.
We are between lives because we are not our physical bodies. We are the spirit, the consciousness. We float out, we leave it, we learn on the other side, and then if we need to come back, we come back into a baby's body. The issue of time is complicated. Here on this earth, we feel physicality, we think of time as linear, flowing from past to present to future. But it's really more complicated, as Einstein and other physicists have proven. So there probably is no time on the other side, only here.
Uno no puede comprender ese tiempo y espacio que decía Einstein, no. En esta teoría.
It's a very difficult concept for us. It seems to go against common sense. But already physicists have discovered particles that travel faster than the speed of light. And they find out that the particles go backwards in time. And it's amazing. It's as if, wow, our world is upside down. But yet we function at two levels. For example, Horacio, as I talk with you here, I sit in this chair and I trust the chair to support my weight. But the scientist in me knows that this chair is made of atoms and molecules and energy. And probably a physicist could build a bomb or something, or produce enough energy to provide the world with light and heat and electricity if they could harness the energy of all the atoms in this chair. So the chair is solid, and yet it's not, it's energy. And that's like us. We exist in many different dimensions at the same time. And here's the exciting part of this work. We're not just here. We're on the other side already. You don't have to die to get there.
Bueno, uno puede valorar los otros lados a partir del pensamiento. Si estamos aquí y cualquiera de los dos cierra los ojos, usted puede estar pensando en su casa, que está muy lejos de aquí, y yo puedo imaginar su casa, aunque no lo conozco. Y los dos estamos viajando a un punto. Yo no lo conozco y usted el reconocimiento. Digo, en este mundo, ¿solo hay almas? ¿O las almas solo viven en este mundo? ¿O hay otros mundos muy parecidos o diferentes?
I think there are many worlds. There are many dimensions. Muchos mundos, muchas dimensiones. Pero aquí, this is just one world. Souls live in many worlds. I think this question also brings up a point that skeptics often bring up. That you brought up through your question, which is a very good question, and that is, how do the numbers fit? If reincarnation is real, and there are more physical bodies here than ever before on the planet, where do the souls come from? Well, the answer is what we just talked about. There are souls in many dimensions. Many more souls than there are just in this one planet, this one world.
Hay más almas que cuerpos.
More souls than bodies. Verdad, siempre. More souls than bodies. And so this is just one of many places where there are souls. There are souls in all the dimensions, in all of the universes. We're just the tiniest piece of it. But I think that souls are the same everywhere. Bodies may be different.
Yo digo, ¿y quién elige que el alma encuentre su cuerpo? O que encuentre un cuerpo. ¿Quién lo decide eso? El alma, ¿cómo coincide entre alma y cuerpo?
I believe, and again through my research, that these decisions are made before we were born. There is a kind of committee of spiritual beings or masters, or whatever name we want to put on, angels, guides, God, higher power, but it seems to be like a committee of wise beings. And us, our soul, is part of this. And then we plan the life. What kind of lessons we're going to learn. We choose our parents, the situations into which we are born, because it improves the opportunities for learning here. We have a lesson plan. I also think that some cases of déjà vu, that feeling of familiarity, as if you've been in a place before, comes from this planning.
Okay.
When you look over your life before you're born and you say, aha, I'm going to be here and do this and that. And when we encounter those points, that's a kind of déjà vu feeling. I also believe that we have free will. So we meet our destiny points, but our reactions to these things, to the people we meet, to our experiences, that's the free will part.
Da la sensación como si fuera un ADN espiritual.
Yes. Yes, exactly right. We have two lines of evolution here. The physical, the bodies, and we've been evolving as Darwin and others have described, and the spiritual. Our souls don't evolve in the same way, but they meet in the body, and we have these two lines of evolution. Not everything is karma. You may have to be in a body to certain parents because that's your lesson plan, but maybe you've inherited diabetes or something because of that. That's not karma. It's just, okay, that's the body that you will have in this life.
Estaba pensando, usted habla de seres espirituales, ángeles, maestros, dioses. Cada uno de nosotros lleva el ADN de padres biológicos, papá, mamá, abuelo, abuela. ¿Quién conformará nuestro ADN espiritual? ¿Quién será el Padre Creador? ¿Y con quién conjugará para nosotros sobrellevar esa herencia espiritual, ¿no?